So we've established that laughter is contagious. It's one of those contagious behaviours, and that we can trigger laughter. And there are some places that manipulate this, and one of them is TV shows recorded in front of a live audience. And tonight we are being recorded in front of a live audience, so we're going to actually build our own laugh track. Now the reason that they have to do this is because the show, recorded TV shows, have a live audience there, and they want to generate the feeling that it's funny, and that when you're watching it, you are in the company of other people who find it funny. So warm-ups will come out and they'll work with an audience and they'll get them giggly and ready to laugh, but they'll also do a practice series of laugh tracks. And what they're doing is actually turning the cameras around and filming the audience laughing so that they can edit that in later. So what we're going to do now is we're going to record our own little laugh track, and when I cut this together, at some stage, your laugh will be generated now at something you haven't seen yet, basically. That's how TV works. And they have to do this for shows like Friends and Big Bang Theory and Seinfeld. They were all recorded this way. They have to sweeten the laugh track because, of course, sometimes scenes have to be reshot. The audience have heard all the jokes. They have to sweeten the laughs, and that's how they do it. So I am going to ask that the house lights be brought on. I'm going to keep you in your seats, but I'm going to get you to generate laughs. And the first one I want you to do is a light, polite laugh. Not a huge commitment, you're just being nice and polite, okay? I'll give you 1, 2, 3. Wow, that was damning. That wasn't just polite. Okay, maybe a little warmer, okay? Ready? On the camera for 1, 2, 3. Nice, thank you. I want a sudden, explosive laugh. So someone's fallen over tonight, something unexpected has happened. This is a sudden, explosive laugh. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay, you overcommitted, I love that. It's permission to laugh. Okay. I've got to use that at the start of the show. In fact, I might just edit that laugh in for everything I say. All right, we're going to do a laugh that peaks and fades, and I'm going to conduct it, okay? So it's going to peak and it's going to fade. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you so much. We can generate laughter from nothing, and our brains, as I say, can't tell the difference. So these are now solo bits, and this is just laughter from the darkness. I'm going to call for a particular type of laughter, and it's up to anyone out there that wants to give this a go. Has someone got an evil laugh? That's pretty good. Has someone got a cackle? There's some witchy people here tonight. Now, I've got to be careful. Has someone got a snort horsey laugh? I get the feeling there was one up the back there, and that someone may be cleaning something off the back of their seat. Okay. What about a high-pitched giggle? There's a large man here who has just given the cutest little giggly laugh ever. Round of applause, thank you so much.